man, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ray. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Back with another video. I'm pulling up on my boy Jacob. We're gonna meet up, do like a little video today. Also gonna buy one of his shirts because he did a merch drop. Pretty sick, y'all. Here's his Instagram right here. Go follow him. Sheesh, my boy. Yes, sir. Just picked up right here at the gas station, y'all. Met up.
What's up, bro?
It's good, brother.
I got you your shirt.
Hell yeah. Ready to see it, brother. How are you?
Yeah, how you been?
Good, bro. Just chilling, working. This rap goes crazy, bro.
Yeah?
Bro,
Fun, huh?
crazy. It's sick, bro. Sick, bro. Perfect choice.
When I saw it on the roll itself, I was like, bro, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it. But then when I put it on the car itself, I was like, never mind.
Bro, it looks sick, bro. Sick. Great choice, bro. Great choice. Crazy, bro. It complements the calipers too, bro. Or do you want to change the color? Yeah, it does look sick.
Doing like yellow or blue. I might just leave it.
Yeah, it looks sick, bro, for sure. Yeah, let's check out the shirt, bro.
So,
hell yeah.
You seen this shit, right?
Yep.
Combo. The OG setup with the Advent GTs, Godzilla.
Yes, sir.
This is a Japanese translating. Talks about like sharing our dangers and risk, whatever it takes to be successful. GTR, obviously, that's my plate too. This is literally all my car. This is my OG setup. You remember the Advent GT setup?
Yeah. Sick, brother. Hell yeah, thank you.
I didn't bring a Sharpie. I don't know if you wanted it signed, so I was like, I didn't bring it.
Yeah, bro. Either one, it don't matter, bro. This is funny though. 3-finger combo, bro.
Yeah.
How'd you come up with it, bro? What were you thinking?
How the fuck was it, bro? I was having canes one day, right? I was eating canes.
That's what I was thinking, bro.
And I was like, dude, 3 fingers. And I just thought of it. That was like 3-finger combo on the car.
Hell yeah.
That's what you gotta do every time you put the 3 R's on. You gotta lift up.
Yeah.
So I was like, bro, that's like perfect 3-finger combo right there.
Bro, I was wondering too, like, are they all like, do they work individually or you have to lift them all at the same time?
Individually or at the same time.
What are they, bro? Like each
like
one.
Coordinated sports. So like if you look right here, see those 3 R's right there?
Yeah.
So one's for suspension, one's for all-wheel drive, and then one's for traction.
Oh, okay. So put on all 3 and it's just like complete sport mode. Yeah. Makes sense, bro.
It'll shift more aggressive, handle better, all that stuff.
Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, I think it's sick. It is genius, bro, doing that, the little 3-finger combo.
I had to think of something. I was like, bro, what could I think of something in the front that's gonna catch people's attention?
Yeah. It's your first merch drop, no? Congrats, brother.
You're literally the last person.
Hell yeah, bro. I know I'm late, bro, but I'm glad I got one for sure.
Somebody else is trying to fight you for it.
Yeah, for real. Bro, I always got to support my boy, for sure.
Like, man, these are 2 crazy ass colors.
Yeah, bro. Sick colors for sure, bro.
It's like we're both getting these standing out right now when we're driving.
Bro, literally. Your color is sick, though. I love it, bro. Throw it back, too. That's Millennium Jade, no? Bro, sick.
I wanted to do a midnight purple. I was like, you know, I want a color that nobody has in AZ. So I told Andy I wanted midnight purple so me and him can swim. He's like, get it, dude, get it. I was like, nah, dude, I want a color that nobody has.
Yeah, it'd be different, bro. Yeah, I haven't seen that at all out here. All right, y'all, heading out now. Bro got the gap cam mounted up. Got me shivering, bro. But yeah, we're just gonna go grab some Dutch real quick and then hit up one of the little OG spots we used to go to. Y'all, hope y'all can hear the wind, but it's parked up. Yes, sir. Looking clean. Sheesh.
Let's see what this foot does. Dude, that fool's crazy. The
God, yeah, bro. Look at him. Sheesh. Let me get one real quick. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Sick, huh? New subscribers are here. I'm about to get a ride along. This will be my first time in a GTR, bro.
Really?
Yep, my very first time, bro. I was always like, you know what? Honestly, I always told myself I never want to do a ride along until I get one. But bro, this is my boy Jacob. This thing, like, bro, look at this thing. How can I refuse, bro? You offered me.
I was thinking, I was like, has he even been in one? I was like,
Never, bro. Never, bro. Never. This is my first time. First time, bro. So, sheesh. Let's get it, bro.
You have your keys with you?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Bro, I don't even know how to open it, bro. Right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that, y'all. Don't even know how to open it up. Crazy.
It's a Tesla handle, bro. Alright, so this is Ray's first time.
Yes,
GTR.
sir.
We're about to pop his cherry right now.
Yeah.
Been in the GTR.
Things about to be wild. First ride along, my boy Jacob GTR. Yes, sir. 3-finger combo.
Right here, bro. That's how we do it.
Let's get it. Thing feels good already, bro. Sheesh. Nice and planted.
Yeah. Even though it's a heavy car, right? But they do a really good job of like the weight distribution.
For sure, bro. Can
Like,
feel it already.
It's like all evened out, so it's not like it weighs too heavy in the back or the front. It's just all even, weighed out evenly.
Oh yeah. Sheesh. You can hear it a lot inside, bro.
Can you hear
The
it?
flutter?
Yeah.
It's even louder on the outside. Damn.
Yeah, all these houses are new. Well, this shit used to be empty, so we used to race up here.
Yeah.
In Mexico, obviously.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
you know?
It looks similar out there in Mexico, like
Very
to this.
similar, yeah. There was no houses or nothing. I'm trying to multitask while I'm recording.
God damn. Bro, snatched my soul. God, bro. Damn, bro. Bro, left my soul back there. God damn. Hold the hell out of me, bro.
Ray left his spirit back there.
Bro, literally. God
Oh,
damn.
something flew back there. I don't know what it was.
Sheesh. I felt good, bro. That pulled.
It's
He's
just
tired.
like instant.
Yeah, bro. We're about to snatch my soul. God, bro.
I love how when I go through each gear, just like instant. DCT, bro, it's different.
Trying to go back, bro, so I can pick my soul back up.
You hear the turbos right now. Watch.
Yo.
You hear them?
Mm-hmm.
Barely hear them.
Definitely can though, bro. God. Don't even need no music in here, bro.
You
Just
don't,
listen
bro.
to that all day.
That's all you
Just-
need. That's all you need.
Just listen to this all day, bro.
Fuck the music.
Yeah, bro, literally at that point, bro.
You're gonna see Ray on Marketplace right now when he gets home.
That ass,
We're
bro.
looking for a GTR, bro.
Already, bro. I already got like 30 of them saved. Like, yeah, maybe in like 5 years, bro. I'll buy one. Definitely do want one, y'all. This is my dream car, no doubt. Thank you, brother.
Of course, bro.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure.
Bro, look at this. I don't even know where it's at. Right here, huh?
This car, and I had Izzy go with me, right?
Yeah.
She's like, how the fuck do I open this door? And I was like, dude, just pull up right here.
Yeah. I think I left my bad. Keys right here.
Well, left the soul and his keys.
Bro, literally, bro. God, I'm about to walk back over there, just go pick it back up. God, snatched the hell out of me, bro. I wasn't expecting that. All right, y'all. About to head out now. Shout out to my boy, man. 100%. Thing is clean, so motivating, and as y'all just seen the ride along, this thing feels just as crazy as y'all think. Of course, it isn't stock, but still, y'all, just the experience is wild. It's mind-blowing. So if y'all want a GTR, then go out and get it, y'all, because this is definitely my dream car. It's one of them for sure, and one of these will be on the channel one day, no doubt. So who knows, maybe one day it'll be like this, y'all. I'll have a GTR right next to this car, you know what I mean? Or maybe I had to get rid of this car to get that one. So either way, y'all, it's gonna happen for sure. And I appreciate my boy always being humble, grateful for everything, and obviously in translation, it motivates me.
My boy Ray, make sure you guys check out his channel.
Yes, sir. My boy Jacob.
Yes, sir. Sick as E92 and AZ.
Sick as GTR and AZ, bro, no doubt. Again, y'all, I'll plug down the channel name, right down below as well as in the bio. All right, then my boy Jacob, shout out to him.
Yes, sir.
This will be the end of today's video. I hope y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Ray, and I'm out.